Scalable vector graphics, or SVGs. Under the Project Explorer, under the point SVG Controls, you will find the SVG Control Manager. If we select an example one, we can also see some SVG code, some JavaScript code. We can see some properties and maybe actions, which you can define by writing this quick HMI tags. And we have a nice little preview. Let us open a new SVG, and we will see we will already get asked if we want to add an assistant to this SVG. So if we press yes, we will see the SVG assistant will open. What we can see now? We can see I got 54 remaining requests in this month. We can add some pictures or attach some images to create the SVG from that. We have some modes, a safe mode and an open mode. The safe mode is just to continuous animation. So we don't have this animation, continue animation, In the open modus we don't have any type of regression. We can delete our history, we can repeat our request, or we can send our request. First of all, let us create a other layout so that it's easier for us to work with the assistant. Now we have the possibility to ask something or to create a SVG. Let us create a LED. And after a quick moment, we will get our LED in the SVG Assistant and also in the SVG Control Manager in our SVG. Now we can customize our SVG by my own, or we can still use the AI. Beautiful. Now we got our next property, a label text. If we go now back to our page, navigate in the Controls Manager to the point Project SVGs and drag and drop our LED, we can now use it. If you have a look at your component, you will see all the properties which are defined in the SVG code. What we also can do is to use, for example, an image or an attachment to create an SVG from that. For example, we will use the sun. Just press on enter. And after a quick moment you will see we get our sun in our SVG code, and we can use it now like every other control. What we also can do is to customize some default controls. For example, if you have a look at our controls, we have some SVGs or some controls where you find this SVG tag. And every control where you have like this same SVG tags are default controls by us or from us, which you can copy by click on this SVG tag. And you will see you will find a copy from exact this SVG or from this control, and now you can customize it by your own or with a AI chatbot. Now you can also group your SVGs by right-click on your SVG, group, a new group, or to a already previously created group.